Hello everyone. Today we are going to start construction. So first let me test your previous knowledge. We are starting from basic geometry. What is this? Are you able to see this? This is point. Suppose 2 points I drawn here. Suppose this one is A and this point is B. Join this point. This is line segment. This line segment have 2 points are called end points. Can you extend this line segment towards to the side of point A or to the side of point B? Yes, you can extend it to the both sides. Now what is it? This is a line. What is it? A line. Line segments have end points, means these are the limits. It shows limits of the line segment. But line is infinite. No limits are there. That is why we are showing by arrow. Both the ends of the line we are showing by arrow, means the line is going on continuously in the same direction to the both the ends. This is line. Okay. So first I explain point, then line segment and line. Now this is P, Q. This is arrow. Arrow, 1 point. This one is the origin. This point is called origin, and arrow shows this ray PQ is continuously going in the same direction, means in the direction of Q. We can read this ray PQ. Ray PQ. We cannot read this ray QP. Why? Because P is the origin of the ray. Isn't it? Now, when two rays having same origin and are just opposite direction, are having just an opposite direction, then it is straight line. Straight angle is formed here. But when two rays this is ray PQ and ray PR. When two rays meet at the same vertex and are not in opposite direction, then angle is formed. Understood? When two rays meet at the same point or at the same vertex and are not in opposite direction, then angle is formed. So what I taught you, first point, then line segment, then line, and next is arrow and angle. Okay. Now how to bisect the line or line segment. Suppose this is the segment AB of 5 centimeter. How to bisect it? Okay. Suppose A is the center and take sufficient distance which is more than half of AB. Okay, draw the curve to the both sides of the segment, upper side suppose and lower side. Suppose A is the center, then draw the curve like this to the both sides of segment AB. Same process you have to repeat. Put iron know cone B and draw the curve upside and downside. Join this. Here angle of 90 degree is formed. This is bisector of the side. We bisect segment AB. I did it in rough, but you have to use compass. Without compass, construction is not possible. I don't have compass now, so I doing by own. Okay. Once again, take the segment of 6 centimeter. Now what is the process? What should I do now? First, take a sufficient distance in a compass which is more than half of PQ. Now suppose P is your center. Then draw the curve to the both side of PQ, upside and downside, up and down. Okay. Now same process you have to repeat from Q. Q is the center and draw the curve. Where the curve cross each other, note that point. Suppose this one is A and B. Join this AB, which is cutting PQ in the point M. Give the name. This is the midpoint of PQ, and here angle of 90 degree is formed. Understood? Now homework is, or you have to draw segment. Draw this segment. And bisect it. Of number 1, 7 centimeter, number 2, 8 centimeter, number 3, 4 centimeter, and number 4, 6.5 centimeter. Okay? How to bisect the angle. Draw the angle of 60 degree. Draw the angle of 60 degree and bisect it. Okay. First we are doing by using protractor. But next step, we are doing all this construction, bisector of angle bisector without using protractor. Okay. So, first draw the angle of 60 degree. I am doing this roughly, but your angle should be of accurate measure. Draw the angle of 60 degree. Okay. Drawn. Do with me. Now, what to do? Again, same. Take a sufficient distance in a compass. Let me give the name P, Q and R. This Q is the center. Suppose Q is the center. Take sufficient distance in a compass and draw the arc which is cutting to the side QP and QR like this. Okay. Now same distance, put iron knock here on the iron knock on the curve and draw one more curve like this. Let me erase first. Now this is angle PQR of 60 degree. Now we are going to bisect it. What to do? Suppose Q is a center and take a sufficient distance in a chalk and draw the curve like this, which are cutting to ray QP and QR. Now put iron knock on the curve and draw the chalk. We are following same distance. And now join, suppose this point is M. Now join this point Q and M by dotted line. This is angle bisector of angle PQR. This ray QM divides angle PQR in two equal angles or in two equal parts. Okay? Okay. Now we will stop here and tomorrow we will see construction without protractor. Okay? Bye.